Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called what is the difference between conventional lean manufacturing process and then what is lean manufacturing process. So first, into the topic, we should know what is conventional manufacturing and then what is lean manufacturing. So the conventional manufacturing process is the process that we have followed up to the last decade, but now we are entirely moved into the lean manufacturing process. Then what is conventional manufacturing process? So this is like a manufacturing process. We are forecasting the demand of the future, and then based on the forecasting we are making the product in the large scale, and then we are storing the product in the inventory in the large quantity. Whereas in the lean manufacturing process mainly focused on the customer feedback, and whenever the demand is arised from the customer, and then the industry will going to make the design, and then based on the design we are going to produce the product. So this is what the difference between conventional manufacturing process and then lean manufacturing process. So here, as I said earlier, the conventional manufacturing process is the traditional manufacturing process. It is mainly relied on the fixed process, and then produce the product in the large quantity like a mass production. Whereas in the lean manufacturing process is mainly focused on the customer centric methodology, and then based on the customer demand we are going to produce the product, and then based on with that the customer centric process, and then we are in that process we are eliminating the n number of wastes during the process. So this waste may occur at the process of design itself, and then to the end of process. So in that we have n number of wastes starting from the materials process, and then the manufacturing manufacturing the called equipments, and then transport, and then labor cost. So with that we have n number of waste. So by means of lean manufacturing process, there is a huge possibility of eliminating these wastes. Based on this elimination of these waste from the process, we can improve the efficiency of the overall industries. And then the conventional manufacturing process is mainly is followed the forecasting technique, and then once we are producing manufacturing the product, and then we are forcing the customer to buy a product what we have produced. So this is the push system. So this is not a customer centric process. Whereas in the lean manufacturing process we are identifying the what is the need of customer. So based on the customer value we are producing the product, and we are supplying the product to the customer, so that it follows the pull system. What is pull system? So the pull system is identifying the need or demand of customer, and then based on the needs of customer we are producing the product, and we are delivering the product to the customer. So this is what the pull system. So by means of the lean manufacturing approaches we can ensure the continuous process called Kaizen. Then based on the inventory management level. So in the conventional manufacturing process, yes, we are forecasting the demand based on our assumption, and we are producing the product. So with that producing the mass production, and then it is the really required the inventory to store the product of the in the mass quantity. So this is the conventional inventory. Whereas in the lean manufacturing process we are not going to produce the product in the mass quantity, and then it is not required the inventory. So we are producing the product by means of following the technique called just in time, or another different lean manufacturing tools, and then we are minimizing the waste, and then storage level, and then storage cost, and then based on these technique we are just eliminating the inventory. And then quality control. So as I said earlier, the conventional process is once we are producing after producing of the product or manufacturing the product, we are just going for the quality check. So once the product is not up to the level or up to the dimensioning and then what or maybe, so this product is again it is moved to the scrap or into the reproduction. So it really required the another, it starts with again designing and then the reproduction cost, labor cost, so it all include into the process or the product cost. And then whereas in the lean manufacturing process in the starting from the design, we are incorporating the quality check, and then each and every process we are checking the quality or the process or the dimension of the particular product, and then so that we can following the process at the start of the design to the at the end of the delivering the product to the customer. So by means of adopting those technique, we are confident that we can eliminate the waste by means of the quality check, and then we are supplying the quality product to the customer. So that is what the lean manufacturing emphasize the continuous improvement during the process. Thank you.